Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by fixing the essentials fast. Confirm your clip is vertical at 9:16 and exported with adequate bitrate, then trim to the strongest 15-30 seconds. Once done, place your hook within the first 3 seconds so viewers immediately know what to expect, and make sure text is large and high contrast so mobile viewers read it. You should also check audio levels and add a punchy sound cue. This makes people stick around and improves watch time. Now refine pacing and storytelling. Remove pauses and dead frames, then structure the clip with 3 to 6 quick beats so viewers perceive momentum. Make cuts on action and match motion to avoid jarring jumps, and keep frame rate consistent between 24 and 60 frames per second to prevent playback hiccups. Once the flow feels tight, lower background music to about -6 to -10 decibels so your voice or main sound stays dominant, and choose royalty-safe tracks to avoid muting. Finish by previewing the short on an actual phone. Confirm captions, readable text, and a clear thumbnail frame. Upload with a descriptive title, 1 to 3 relevant hashtags, and a tiny call to action in the first line of the description so algorithms pick intent. If your video gets muted, recheck the music rights and swap tracks. If reach is low, change the hook and thumbnail, then reupload as a new short rather than editing. Platforms often treat edits differently, so that preserves testing accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.